Plastic Narkasur campaign. In our view, plastic is one of the biggest evils around us today, and Narkasur and Diwali is a sign of the victory of good over evil. So we think that there's no better appropriate time for us to undertake this campaign than for Narkasur. So we have over a dozen schools that have signed up, who we are providing grants to make Narkasurs by collecting plastic waste in the nearby communities and making a dangerous looking plastic monster. But on the day of the Narkasur burning, we're not going to burn the plastic monster. We're going to burn a small hay Narkasur, and this main Narkasur that's going to be placed in key areas and spots in the villages is going to remain for a couple of weeks. We have an award of 20,000 rupees that we have announced for the winner, and at the end of it we will dismantle the Narkasur by using whatever materials we can for art and craft, and then whatever material can go for recycling will go for recycling.